Hey everybody, welcome to Fire Eats and Treats. My name is Demond and today we're making the best tasting pork spare ribs you can make in 3 hours on a pellet grill. Sweet and smoky ribs with layers of flavor are most often cooked low and slow. Have you ever heard of the 3-2-1 rib method? Well, forget it, because this is my 1-1-1 rib method. It takes half the time and still has all the flavor. Quick, easy, and still fire. That's how we do it. Let's go. First, trim the ribs into a St. Louis style cut by removing the breastbone, trimming the rib tips, and squaring the ribs up. We are going to be cooking at a high heat, and this will ensure the ribs cook evenly. Next, remove the membrane from the ribs to make sure the rub can penetrate the meat. After that, starting with the bone side, generously coat the ribs with your favorite rib rub. Today, I'm using LC's famous Kansas City Barbecue all-purpose seasoning. This stuff is fire! Check out the description below to find out where you can purchase a bottle for yourself. Now let the ribs sit for about 15 minutes to soak up all the flavors. And I guarantee, it's gonna be fire! It's time to get smoking. Today, I'm using my Pit Boss Navigator. Preheat your pellet grill to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the ribs bone side down on the top rack and cook for 1 hour. While the ribs are cooking, we'll put together our liquid mixture. Mix together 1 part pickle juice to 1 part water, then pour it into a spray bottle. Now let's check on our ribs. After the first hour, flip and reduce the heat to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook for an additional hour, spritzing with the pickle juice mixture we just created. Continue to spritz every 15 minutes throughout the remainder of the cook. This is going to add some extra flavor to our ribs and moisture throughout the cooking process. After the second hour, flip the ribs again and reduce the temperature to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook for 1 more hour, continuing to spritz with the pickle juice mixture. If desired, lightly sauce the ribs during the last 30 minutes of cooking with your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm using LC's barbecue sauce because you already know it's fire too. Once time is up, remove the ribs from the smoker and let them rest for at least 10 minutes. After that, your ribs are ready to eat. All right, everybody, we have some delicious ribs here, and don't these ribs look good?
Very tasty.
All right. Well, today I have my daughter Aaliyah, and she's gonna let us know how we did on these ribs. Are you ready to give them a try?
So ready. I've been waiting for this all day.
All right. Well, let's try them together. Why don't you go ahead and grab which piece you want first? Then I'll grab a piece. All right, are you ready? Wait. Cheers. All right, here we go.
Worth the wait. This is very tasty. Thank you.
Delicious. These ribs are excellent if you're in...
You want me to say it? These ribs are excellent when you're in a time crunch.
I'll say it. These ribs, I'm saying it. These ribs are the quickest way that you can make some nice smoked ribs in 3 hours or less. These are awesome. Only takes 3 hours. And you'll have you some delicious ribs.
They're so good. Every single time I eat them, it's always the same magical ribs that I always been waiting for. Can't stop eating them. So happy.
So there you have it, folks. Some quick and easy pork spare ribs that are sure to be a hit with your friends and your family. All you need is a few hours, so I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, be sure to let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can be notified when new videos drop.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. I'm trying to not make it look like I've been eating it the whole time.
All right.